Hey everybody, how you doing? Yo yo yo, Brooklyn in the house. By the way, do you know that every Friday afternoon we do something called the Ray Parade? No? Well, let me tell you. Every Friday afternoon, beginning at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, Roy and Becky's Travels starts with their live, 1 p.m. Eastern. Then at 2 o'clock Eastern, we go into something called the Ray Parade, which by follow on the chat in a pin message with a link, you will follow definitely different premieres through the afternoon. Different topics, different views, different things to learn, to watch, to see. Very exciting. Yes, yes, yes. And then at the end, I do something called the after party of the Ray Parade, which I go live and I invite people to come into the panel, either the people that did the premieres that afternoon or somebody that wants to come from the chat and talk with me, and we discuss what we saw during those premieres during the afternoon and talk about other things too. So I mean, I'm reaching out to you to invite you to come over Friday afternoons, either 1 p.m. Roy and Becky's Travels, or 2 p.m. for the Ray Parade, and for everybody to learn something new. And feel free to ask how to get involved with it if you like what you see. So I invite you to come over Friday afternoons, 1 o'clock Eastern Time. See you there.